Right now, there is one foreign woman standing here. She is a tourist, and she seems very interested in a pachinko hall. But she has no idea how to play pachinko at all. After hesitating many times, she finally gathers her courage and steps into the hall. The first thing that overwhelms her inside is the wall of sound and light from hundreds of machines. It excites her curiosity, but at the same time, it is a little scary. On top of that, there are many mysterious machines, snacks, and toys all around the hall. The amount of new information is completely overwhelming. Is there any English guidance? Of course not. Should she ask another customer? No. Everyone looks serious and focused, so she does not want to disturb them. She just wants to play the machine based on her favorite anime. But she does not know where to start. So in this video, we will carefully explain how to play pachinko step by step to make her wish come true. Special thanks to Pachinko Western Urayasu Ekamai. Chapter 1. Finding an open machine. First of all, she needs to find an interesting machine. But even when no one is sitting there, the screen and the lights are still moving. She cannot tell if the seat is truly open or not. This is a classic pachinko problem. If there is a break sign on the machine, or a handkerchief, drink, or small item nearby, that machine is just being used by someone on a break. At last, she finds a machine that she can trust is really open. She takes a deep breath and bravely sits down. Chapter 2. Where do I put the money? She knows she needs to pay before she can play. She takes out a 500 yen coin, but she has no idea where to put it in. Not there. That is just a volume button. Pachinko machines have many slots and slits, so it is very confusing for beginners. Now she is getting close to the correct place, but that slit is actually where something comes out. Finally, she discovers the correct area. She sees numbers like 10,000 and 5,000 written near a machine on the left side. But no matter how hard she tries, her 500 yen coin will not go in. She has made one big mistake. In pachinko, you cannot use coins at all. You can only use paper money. Any Japanese bill is fine. So she must insert it into a machine called a sand on the left side of the machine. After a long and confusing time, she finally manages to put her money in. Chapter 3. Where did my 1,000 yen go? However, even after she puts the money in, nothing changes on the pachinko machine. She tries turning the handle, but nothing happens at all. My 1,000 yen just disappeared. She starts to panic. She thinks, if I press some button, something will finally happen. So she begins to search for a button. But there are many different buttons, and she cannot tell which one is correct. This machine is based on Evangelion. The design looks like a cockpit, so there are many extra decorations that look like buttons. Luckily, she notices a button labeled Call. She understands that pressing it would bring a staff member. But she hesitates. Is it really okay to call someone over for a problem this small? And even if the staff comes, can she explain what is wrong? Because of that uncertainty, she cannot bring herself to press it. And then, something happens. She presses a button with the Japanese word henkyaku on it. Suddenly, a plastic card comes out from a hole near the bottom of the sand. What is this card? I just want my money back. She does not understand what is happening, and she panics even more. In reality, this IC card has a very important role in Pachinko. We will explain it in detail in the next video. Please look forward to that. For now, let us move to a different timeline before she presses the card return button. Now we meet her in a slightly different universe. This multiverse version of her is just a little more clever. She calmly takes out her smartphone and opens Google Lens. Then she points it at the buttons. Now she can see that the Henkiyaku button says Return. The button below it says Tamagotchi, which Google shows as Ball Rental. That means this button gives her Pachinko balls. She presses the Ball Rental button. And then... Congratulations! She finally gets her balls. Now she just needs to turn the handle, shoot out the balls, and enjoy the game. When you do not understand something, pointing Google Lens at the Japanese text on the machine is very helpful. Please remember this simple trick. Chapter 4, First Jackpot, and a super hot reach. In the end, it took her 7 minutes just to start playing. For a true beginner, starting Pachinko is really this hard. But if you have watched this video, you should be fine now. On this Evangelion machine, she experiences one jackpot and one extremely hot reach. Now, we will show both of these scenes with no cuts. Please enjoy. Even watching it again now, this reach is so hot that it almost feels strange that it actually missed. Chapter 5. For everyone who feels nervous. We hope this video helps anyone who feels nervous about playing Pachinko. Next time, we will focus on the IC card that appeared in the story. We will explain its secrets in detail. See you in the next episode. Please look forward to it.